Yo, what's good, guys? As always, it's your boy Zaga here, and I'm bringing you guys another video today on some how to make a intro using this great website called Panzoid. Um I'm pretty sure it's still working. Yeah, it's still working. So, I'm going to be giving the credits to some people of this website because I don't have any of my own. So, like um I'm not trying to make anything 2D. Um let's do this one. Yeah. Actually, let's do this one. Yeah. All right. So, the maker is um 𝖾𝖚𝖊𝖊. So make sure you follow him on this site. Yeah. So this is how it looks. Looks pretty clean. So what you guys are going to have to do is go to this square box looking thing and scroll down. And usually there's like a lot of particles and stuff like that, but if you really scroll down enough, I'm pretty sure, yeah, you're going to get to the text group. You're going to click the text group, and since my name is too long, I'm going to do my editor's name or my designer's name, and his name is Mark. Make sure you guys subscribe to him, link in the description. Yeah. So, I'm gonna do. What I'll actually do is make sure you guys capitalize all the letters because it looks more crisp and stuff. And make sure you guys do all the letters in the same exact font or it doesn't look as good. So, so we're going to make R, boom, T, K, boom, and then K again. Okay. And then click out of it, and here you guys go. Has his own little logo or his intro and stuff. I am pretty sure he has his own stuff because what he uses. But if he doesn't use it, if he doesn't have it, have an intro or something, I'll make it for him. And if you guys want me to make one for you, just kind of send me on the side of the screen it says my Instagram and stuff, which I need to change this part, but that's my Instagram. Contact me there and ask if you just ask me if you want a intro or logo. That's what I'm doing right now for free. I always do it, but very simple for me to do, but it may take some time because I'm not doing it on my desktop. I'm going to be doing it on my slower laptop. But all you then have to do, guys, is click start render. Don't mess with any of these, and when this renders, it's going to say download here, and then it's going to bring you to another page that then is going to have a little logo on the bottom of your screen that says it's downloading. So since we're already here, I might as well just actually look for something that I would use. Home. That's weird. I think this thing's changed a little bit. Yeah. I haven't used this thing in a while. There you go. We're going to do outros since I'm probably going to be using that. And then there's all these that people use, and it's helpful for lots of people. Like right there, that's like a perfect thing, or right there, something that's like really basic or something like that is going to be used. Um, like that. Like there's so many things that you guys can use, and all you guys legit want to do is um. Let's click on this one, even though I already have this one. And I did it for one of my friend called Sorry Bastard 5. Anyways, what you guys are going to look at is we're just going to look at the overview of this. We're going to pause it right there. Since it's like your name and stuff, I'm just going to put my YouTube channel right there. Too many G's. That's my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and stuff like that. Previous video, random video, and stuff. Yeah. It's just kind of, it's basic, but it works. Like, you can add images and stuff like that, and you can add lots of things, but this is just a video on just how to kind of like make one or use one of others logos, which I mean Panzoid is pretty much where it's at if you don't kind of want to spend an hour or two making a logo, but you know it helps. Anyways, make sure you guys subscribe, smash the like button, turn post notifications on, and make sure you guys subscribe to Mark or the designer. I'm pretty sure I mentioned him in like 3 videos straight. So, yeah, this is. I'm gonna ask Mark if he has an intro or something. If he wants to post on his YouTube channel, I will. And yeah, he's pretty chill. He's making the thumbnail for this video right now, and he helps me out a lot, guys. But yeah, that's all I'd say. Make sure you guys subscribe, smash the like button, turn post notifications on, and Zoggy's out. Peace, guys.